Now that we covered which manifold to start with, so you're starting with a good core, we'll talk about the modifications that we can do to either your manifolds or more commonly our manifolds. So this is a stock manifold, we call it the core, and this again is the driver's side. On the outside, this manifold versus our modified manifold looks exactly the same. On the outside, nobody's going to see anything. Okay, now internally they are modified. So here is the horn area, we call it, the outlet part. The stock manifold on the right, and there is the modified manifold on the left. You see the bolt pattern is the same, that 45-degree chamfer is basically the same. Internally we remove an awful lot of material from that horn area, and that's a very critical part of our modifications. The other area that we do, manifolds, spend some time on the CNC machine modifying the port openings. Now we keep the port openings as small as we possibly can for inspection procedures, and we do an awful lot of porting work, hand porting after the CNC machine. And after we're done with the porting work, we shot peen the manifolds because we really don't want to show them off. Now some applications, street applications and street rods, guys like to see big shiny ports. We have another series of modifications where we can make the ports just a shade bigger, and we keep them really, really shiny so people can kind of show them off. Most circle track guys don't care about that. They want the manifold looking stock, stock, stock. And here is the passenger side manifold. Basically the same thing. On the outside, same manifold. Internally, completely different ballgame. Again, we got the stock manifold on the right, the modified manifold on the left. And here is your port openings. Again, the manifold, we don't make the port openings any larger than we have to. But we do have to enlarge them a little bit, and then we shot peen them after we're done with all of the work. About an hour worth of CNC work goes into each manifold, and then maybe about 15, 20, 30 minutes of hand porting each manifold, and then the shot peening. And when we're done with them, because we don't really know the quality of the manifold, they still are imported manifolds, we go ahead and we sand the surfaces to make sure that they're flat and you're going to get a good seal. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and we'll start talking about the exhaust pipes and the 2-in-1 collectors in your exhaust system. And this is our gasketless adapter, and that will fasten to either a stock manifold that has that chamfer in it, or one of our modified manifolds. So we'll talk about that on the next video.